static gas get
Do you vape, bro?
The animals out there?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, it says
Oh, they
stop.
might be closed.
Brakes
Shit, are
failed.
they closed? Damn it. I probably think I got fucked up. Airbag gonna think we got into an accident. Ooh, try to push that truck. What if it's someone in there? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Take off.
You better be good on the block from behind.
What is a blue license? I think it's just right.
Is this the entrance?
Yeah, it's right here. Oh.
Oh shit! Damn.
Damn, I guess she moved.
Woo! Whoops! Didn't see that one coming. Or did it not see me coming? Oh damn!
And keep straight at this stop sign.
I want to hit a glass building, just like
okay.
just crash into the glass, go inside, see what's going on.
I think you gotta keep straight down here.
Down here?
Yeah. Look out for that fucking baby!
Fuck! Damn, where'd that come from?
Oh shit! Oh my god, is that baby okay? Shit, we just hit a fucking baby. Shit, also caught right there.
Oh my! Oh, this is somebody in the car. It's the police station. Yo, we gotta get the fuck out of here. Yo, where's Wawa at?
Left.
Reverse around the whole park. Alrighty, guys. Once again, doing the famous. Oh, that window. What that window with your hand?
Can't see shit.
Oh, that hit the sun.
We are reversing through the entire wall.
Still looking.
Nothing to do.
Fuck no.
Run on.
You want this?
Is that your belt?
Yeah, it's my own tire rubber. Start over. Am I clear on that side? Just,
Yeah.
yeah. Ooh, I would have been so fun. Now you gonna get in the way.
They still out here with the shit advancing.
Why they putting out the trash? He gonna be like this nigga again.
Looky, looky.
Tell him my car only works in reverse. Have you won't.
Man, you got hoods. You gonna go jump, nigga?
I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Yo.
It's the most reverse gear ever been used.
At what time?
Say I won't order fruit punch backwards.
You won't. Bitch, they ain't gonna answer. They ain't gonna answer, bitch, they closed.
They closed?
Yes,
Yeah.
I told you to close at 4.
Nigga, I thought they were open.
Fuck no.
Mine looks stupid.
Ooh, you should reverse on the public streets.
Yo, car gonna get impounded like a bitch. They gonna think we smoking. Them same niggas posted outside by the park.
It's still over there?
Yeah.
If you drunk and you do all this shit.
Hell yeah, when I crashed into this
But
shit.
how you is my personal driver.
Exactly.
Fuck that.
Look at the lady, look. She's still fucking.
Nigga,
Yo, they got drugs.
You stop.
Man, just do a mean ass
Woo! If this don't boost your YouTube channel, I don't know what will. What if he rolled out the window?
Oh, this one's standing right there! Sorry.
Oh, I was about to drop.
Damage report. That shit alright. That's why these Civics last forever. Well, you got a little stitch right there. Oh, your paint's starting to come off.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like in the front, that's where I be hitting shit at. Oh, fuck yeah, that shit
Fuck
is
yeah.
Cause it's wet. Oh, I dug into my fucking bumper, yo.
Probably when you hit the fucking sign. I mean, when that person
Yo,
driving
look
hit
at this
the
whole
sign.
section right here. They gonna come, they gonna swab my bumper and be like, this is police.